Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change Google Chrome user interface display language in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC. Once it opens, click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and in the drop down menu, select Settings. In the Chrome settings window, click on this one Languages in the left sidebar. On the right, under Preferred Language, click on this one Add Languages button. You can scroll down and select the language, or you can just type the language in the search box and then check this one option. Then click on this one Add button. This will add that particular language to your Chrome browser. To make it default for the display language, click on three dots beside the language you want to make it display language for Google Chrome user interface. Just click on this one triple dots icon and check this one option. Display, sorry, you need to check this one option. Display Google Chrome in this language. Now click on this one relaunch button. This will reopen Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC and you will see the Chrome language has been changed to your preferred language as you can see on the my screen.